We have a Mercedes Sprinter in, and we're doing just a reverse camera, but we're integrating it into the factory screen that it comes with. So let me just show you where we're at the moment. So that's the rear brake light. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace that with one that has a camera. So I haven't done it yet. So this is the factory stereo that comes with a vehicle. So we interfaced into it. So just here. And that's the screen that comes with it. Now to take this panel off, you've got to take the air vents off first. Once the air vents are out, then there's a couple of screws, then this whole face comes off, and this stereo module sits underneath the whole lot, so it just sits behind it. So what I'll do, I'll start showing it to you once it's all up and running and working. Right, it's all done. The stereo's all being put back together again, and as you can see, it's just a factory Mercedes stereo, so it's not something that we've installed. So I'll just turn the ignition on, stereo powers up. So now if we go into reverse, now we've got the reverse image behind us. And like I said, that's all working on his OEM system, and that's an integrated reverse camera. And what we've done it with is with a brake light camera. So if I just show you that up there. So the camera's replaced the original brake light, but the brake light obviously still works, but with the camera. So at least then you can see the image what's right below you. And being such a long van, and the fact that you can't see behind you, have a look, it's quite a good idea to have something like this. So this is something that we could do on a Mercedes Sprinter if you've got one of these, but also we could do them in most cars. So there's not many cars that we can't do this with. So if you do need a reverse camera, and especially if you want an integrated reverse camera, just give us a shout.